In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting in Android phone. So let's dive right in. So there are 3 steps that you can do to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on internet. So for the first step, open up your settings and here you will find this app management. You need to open it and open app list from here. Then on the right top side, you will find these 3 dots. If you click here, it will show you this. Then you need to clear cache of all default or system apps like this. Click here storage usage and simply clear its cache and click back. So after doing this first step, we can move to the second step where you will find this about phone at last. Open it and here you need to click here versions. Then you have to tap 4 times on this build number. It will change your phone to normal to developer mode and then you'll find a notification here. You are now in developer mode. Click back and open its additional settings from here. Then it will show you this developer options. Open it and scroll down. Here in network tabs, you'll find option like Wi-Fi scan, throttling. You can open it and Wi-Fi enhanced MAC randomization. You can also turn this on. And if this option always keep mobile data active is turned on, you can simply turn it off. And now in the third step, you can simply restart your phone by clicking your power button and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting on internet in just few easy steps.